Good evening, peeps. Good evening. Wagwan. Yes, this is Ralston Gabby Dunn and Gabby GTV. Please like, share, and subscribe the video. Gabby G TV, a content creator and a vlogger who do vlogging everywhere he goes. Now, peeps, right now I'm here in New Malden, showing you the park in New Malden. It's a beautiful park in New Malden. It's so beautiful. I like it. Wow, it's a nice place to carry the children and to let them have fun and enjoy a lot of slide, a lot of ride and so forth. And you know, it's so nice. I even carry my son come right now, and you know, a few of the family member by his mother's side, and we are here, you know, chilling out a little, and at the same time, you know, doing this vlogging at the same time and watching the kids playing and all that such, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna make you watch, and you know, then I illustrate and speak and tell you what's going on. You know, Wagwan, my people, bless man. You know, we are Jamaican already, live in London. So, in other words, you know, we are getting Jamaican lingua as well, you know. Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the rides them and the park, how beautiful it is, green grass and everything. It's looking so good, gorgeous. I tell you, trust me. I never have the first time coming here, but I never really expect this. But what I see, I'm impressed with. Yes, peeps. So stay tuned and watch what's going on. You know, please like, share, and subscribe the video, and share to the one, and the one share to the another one, and one share to the other one, and so forth. Let me get to 1,000 subscriber. Now, peeps, watch what's going on. Yes, so these are the rides I'm telling you about, the, you know, stuff that the children can, you know, slide on. You know, over there, so they're climbing up on the web there. Yeah, see them climbing up on the web. Yes, that's my son Joshua, and at the bottom climbing up to the top. His sister is in the top. His cousin going up. Yes, his cousin going up. And see, I'm showing you the settings. So everything look like, you know. So Joshua's mother over there. Yeah. How do I get down now? Yes, I'm showing you the greenery also, you know, around. Beautiful flowers, trees. You know. Joshua running around playing. That's my son.
You guys went the wrong way. You weren't supposed to go that way.
Kara is his cousin. Yes, Joshua mother over there sitting. And lady and her little daughter there. Joshua's grandmother, his mother's mother. There, you know. Yes. I'll show you this how big the park is, huge and very, very beautiful. You know, so I'm showing you around beautiful flowers. Wow, beautiful flowers. And this, see, Nanny pushing little Elijah there. Yes, this is swing. They have swing as well here. Yeah. They have swing. Yeah. I understand. Yes, peeps. Joshua there.
With nobody.
Yes, Joshua playing seesaw. Elijah climbing up the slide here.
Move out the way. It's great. It's great. You must learn to share. You want people to share with you.
When I go back.
Elijah climbing up the slide.
Oh, you're strong. You climb up. You climb in strong for 2 months. And you're going to go up and then you come up and then belly again. It's coming again, Gabby. It's coming. What must say? You must sing.
No.
Who try rock climbing?
So your son is Eli as well?
Yeah.
He's Eli, this one.
Two.
Eli. Yes.
I haven't been here for a week now.
How old is he?
I won't be able to go.
He's 2.
Two.
And your Eli is?
I am 4.
Oh, you're 4.
Yeah, just 4.
Wow.
4.5.
Attention.
I'm 14.
No, you have 10 more years to be 14.
Longest goes, yeah.
After 1 decade, you'll be 14. Wow, he's trying to walk on that thing there. It's very skillful. So skillful. Wow. That's good. That's good.
Oh my God. You climb right up.
Every time you
It's me nice. Horrible.
This is the swing with Cara swinging.
Eli calling Eli.
So, because it's evening hours, a lot of people came from work, taking their kids to the park. You know, so you look over there, you're seeing children and parents coming in the park, take time filling up the park. Up there you have the chain line on top, here. That's the chain you hear passing. If you look, you may see some little part of the chain. It's beautiful, it's a beautiful sight to look at. The green grass, flowers, in the park, this huge green area. It is so wonderful. It's nice to come in this park and chill out.
Ready now? Do you want to go on the seesaw?
Yeah, serious. No need pushing around Elijah.
Want to swing? Swing? Come.
Today is a day in the park. Day in the park.
Sit down. Sit down.
Everybody doing something, enjoying something, some relaxing, while some is playing, some swinging. And there is Joshua and Cara around here playing. See Esau. Yes, they are at Esau. Wow. They like it.
God, help me. Jump. Just
They
jump.
like
I've been
it.
jumping. Yeah, I need to help you jump. Don't put your thing on like that because it just puts more weight. I don't like to. It literally went like. No, I'm fucking on. Literally. I think these were for smaller people, but.
to go.
Mommy, Daddy, look.
That's us spinning the thing. Yeah. So it seems like he liked the swing.
Well, even the time he started to push himself, so I don't have to stand there pushing.
I agree.
There are other Eli's. You know or not?
Yes. Yeah.
Eli.
You're telling Eli goodbye?
I don't want other Eli's today.
There's lots of other Eli's.
I don't want any more Eli's today.
That be there ready.
Ready, we're ready.
Joshua, get your food. Anyway, cuidado, Eleanor.
I like playing music which wasn't made.
Oh, the kids like here so much. Yes, babes, it's so nice in the morning. Yeah. The children can let go themselves and enjoy. See, while we left leaving, loads of people coming. Lots of people coming into work.
And the ice cream one.
Yes, people playing in the grass with their children. They're playing rugby and so forth. Yeah.
Elijah.
Yes, peeps, I'm showing you the park in London, how beautiful the park is. You know, especially in the springtime. The grass is green and beautiful. The flowers are blooming. Very beautiful. There's a train up there passing. So, some guys playing rugby. Yes, peeps, this is Gabby G. Ralston Gabidon, your content creator. Content creator. Yes, so we're giving you a look into what I'm doing at the same time. You're seeing places where Gabby G going. So remember to subscribe to Gabby G. Gabby _ G TV. Yes, peeps, so while we are leaving the park, many chain up there. There's a chain line up there where the train pass. Behind the park right there. People walking their dogs in the park as well. Wow, it's just a bit of fresh air, man. Bit of fresh air. It's so lovely. So lovely. Yes, peeps. That is it. You know, the man today we decide to come out because the weather is good. Today weather is good, so we decide to come out and walk the park and enjoy the climate and see things. See the park. This time I'm coming for the park, this park for the very first time. See the chain there up top, moving across. Yeah. For the very first time, but I like it. I think I will come back over and over again because it's just nice and relaxing. Yeah, so we are going home now. We're going to have dinner. So today now, nice little food looking dogs. Yeah. We are going home out the park now. And that's Joshua's family and my in-laws. We are going home to have dinner at my sister-in-law's place, and we're gonna have stew peas and rice, Jamaican style. Stew peas and rice, red kidney bean, cooked with coconut milk inside of it. Wow, with white rice. It's finger licking, trust me, man. Yeah, man. Today I was the one who do the chefing. I do the chefing today, So, yeah, man. Gabby G. Yeah, I never get to do the video with the cooking, but I'll do it another time and you will see what I am doing. Yeah, so we are walking on the road now, going back round to my in-laws' house. We're gonna have dinner and then sit back, relax a little while, and maybe watch some movie or something, and then we're all gonna go. Then we're all gonna go home. We'll drive home later, so that is it, So today, this is it for today, Yeah, man, so I enjoy my time at the park, watching the kids, seeing the sightseeing, right? Where I love these things. I love adventure. I love nature. I'm a lover of nature. So, in other words, these things really let me feel good. Give me a good feeling and a relaxation, Wow, it's a breathtaking, it's breathtaking when you come to a park like this and see, the beauty of it and having some fresh air, you know, have a bit of fresh air and relax for a while. You know, it's healthy and it's good, you know. So a big shout out to my fans, big shout out to all the YouTuber people that doing nice contents, like people like Colors Simi TV. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. Big up Woody Maya. Big up Dana Go. And big up D Mango. Big up Sean R. And big up Kino Life in Jamaica. Big up I am Mara. And big up African Tigress. Big you up, man. Large up. And big up Jamaican uncle. Yeah, man, I see in Africa doing some wonderful things, you know, among Ayamara. And you guys going to the safari and all of them things. They have been watching you guys doing some wonderful things, you know. You know, sometimes I think about it, say, I would really want to come and do things like that as well. You know, go to the safari, see things to myself and things. Because I love Africa, you know, that's where we originate from, you know, through our forefather during the time of slavery, you know. So we know that our ancestors is from Africa. So we know our lineage is from Africa as well. So we always want to go back to Africa, and we always want to see and know what Africa look like. So right there now, I am going as soon as I get a chance to do so. So I'm showing you right now, I'm going through a tunnel. Yeah, I'm going through a tunnel, this tunnel. And go on the other side just to get around back to where I am going. You understand? So I'm going through the tunnel right now. Yeah? Going through the tunnel right now. Yes, this is me. Get out the tunnel. I'm out the tunnel now. And, you know, doing my thing. Yes, peeps. Yes, peeps. This is your friend Gabby G, man. Showing you around things and creating the contents on my way going home over by my sister-in-law right now, you know. Yes, peeps. So we're coming to the end of the video right now, and so peace out right now. I'm through the alleyway going to my in-law right now. So in other words, peace out, you know. Yeah, bless. Love you all. Like, share, and subscribe my video.